Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. I'm Nilanjana, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show that how to create smoky eyes. So without further delay, keep on watching. So first I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as my eye makeup base. I'm creating dots over my eyelids and blend it out with the help of brush. So now I'm using Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner as my base of smoky eye, and I'm blending it out with the help of the brush and spread it out over my eyelid but not top of the crease line. Now I'm smudging the base of the smoky eye with the help of the pencil brush towards my crease line. Whenever you are blending or smudging, always use the brush very gently and lightly as a feather, and use it in circular motion because the skin of our eye area is very sensitive. Now I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Awakening, and I am using this black shade and applying it all over my eyeshadow base to set it out, and it makes eyeshadow long lasting. Now I'm using this maroon shade and applying it on my outer V into innerward strokes, and I'm blending it out very well so that there is not any harsh line. Now I'm using this golden shimmery shade from the same Wet n Wild palette and applying it on middle of my eyelid. I'm using Maybelline New York Gigi Hadid gel eyeliner in the shade black and applying it all over my waterline. Again, I'm using this maroon shade and applying it with the help of this small pencil brush into my waterline to balance my eye makeup. Now I'm using a eyelash curler and I'm curling my eyelashes with it. After that, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara and I'm double coating with this mascara. If you want, then you can use falsies, but I'm not a falsie person, so that I'm double coating with mascara which creates falsies looks. I'm also applying this mascara on my waterline lashes. So now I'm highlighting my inner corner with the help of this highlighting pencil. So it is my final smoky eye looks. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. You can give a thumbs up on like button, as well as you can share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye friends.